You won't believe this. I got completely different results from these 7 sewing machines, and some of them were downright shocking. After testing over 15 models, I've narrowed it down to the top 7 that are truly worth your money. Stick around, because in just a few minutes, you'll know exactly which one makes sewing easier, faster, and much more enjoyable. In the description, I've left links with the latest prices on Amazon. Let's get started. Number 7. Brother G X37. The Brother GX37 is an excellent choice for those who want versatility in a simple, reliable package. With 37 built-in stitches, including both utility and decorative options, you can handle everyday repairs, clothing construction, or even quilting projects with ease. The automatic one-step buttonhole function takes the frustration out of button making, giving you clean, professional results every time. What really makes the GX37 stand out is its convenience. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin make setup quick and hassle-free. Plus, it comes loaded with accessories like 6 sewing feet, multiple needles, bobbins, and even a dust cover to protect your machine when not in use. Its free arm design allows you to easily sew sleeves, cuffs, and pant legs, perfect for clothing adjustments and custom tailoring. Lightweight yet sturdy, it's a sewing machine that adapts to both beginners and experienced users. Tap the link in the description to check it out. Number 6. Singer Heavy Duty 4452. The Singer Heavy Duty 4452 is built for power and speed, making it a go-to choice for sewing thicker fabrics like denim, canvas, or upholstery. Its strong motor provides enhanced piercing power, so you can easily sew through multiple layers without slowing down. At the same time, it's gentle enough to handle lightweight fabrics, thanks to the adjustable presser foot pressure. With over 100 stitch applications, the 4452 isn't just about strength. It's also about creativity. You can switch between basic, stretch, and decorative stitches to add flair to your projects. The top drop-in bobbin with a clear view cover makes it easy to monitor your thread supply, while the built-in needle threader speeds up your setup. Singer includes a set of carefully chosen presser feet, including a non-stick foot that glides smoothly over tricky fabrics like vinyl or leather. This gives you the tools to achieve professional quality finishes right at home. Check out the link in the description to see more. Number 5. Feiyue. The Feiyue sewing machine is designed for practicality and ease of use, making it an excellent choice for everyday sewing needs. With built-in accessory storage, you'll always have your essential tools close at hand, keeping your workspace tidy and organized. Adjustable presser foot pressure ensures that you can work with fabrics of varying thickness, from delicate silks to heavier materials, without compromising stitch quality. The drop feed function allows for free motion sewing, which is perfect for quilting or adding personal decorative touches to your projects. The clear threading guide simplifies setup, reducing mistakes and saving time, while the reverse sewing lever lets you reinforce seams with ease, ensuring durability in every stitch. Automatic bobbin winding and a drop-in top bobbin make the machine even more beginner-friendly, minimizing interruptions during sewing. If you liked it, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Want free shipping and fast delivery on your products? Try Amazon Prime. There is a 30-day free trial linked in the description. Number 4. Brother X M2701. The Brother X M2701 is one of the most popular beginner-friendly sewing machines, and for good reason. With 27 built-in stitches, including blind hem, zigzag, decorative, and quilting stitches, it gives you enough variety to handle everything from everyday repairs to creative projects. The automatic one-step buttonhole makes professional-looking buttonholes simple and consistent. Ease of use is the XM2701's biggest strength. The automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin take the hassle out of setup, while the 6 included sewing feet let you tackle zippers, hems, and buttons with confidence. The built-in free arm makes it easy to sew cuffs, sleeves, and other tricky areas. Lightweight and portable, this machine is great for classes or small spaces. It also comes with an instructional DVD and lifetime technical support, so beginners can learn at their own pace without feeling overwhelmed. I've left the link in the description. Number 3. Singer Heavy Duty 4432. The Singer Heavy Duty 4432 offers the speed, strength, and stability that busy sewists need. With a maximum sewing speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, it helps you finish large projects quickly without sacrificing precision. Its stronger motor ensures reliable piercing power, even when sewing through multiple layers of fabric. What makes it even more versatile is the 110 stitch applications, which cover everything from basic seams to decorative flourishes. Whether you're making garments, upcycling old clothes, or creating home decor, you'll always have the right stitch for the job. The top drop-in bobbin with a clear cover makes thread management easy, while the stainless steel bedplate ensures fabrics glide smoothly for even stitches. Its full metal frame provides durability and keeps the machine stable, even during high-speed sewing. Powerful yet user-friendly, the Singer Heavy Duty 4432 is ideal for anyone who wants efficiency and reliability. For more opinions, see the link below. Number 2. Brother C S7000X. The Brother C S7000X is a computerized sewing and quilting machine that blends technology with user-friendliness. With 70 built-in stitches, including decorative, heirloom, and quilting options, as well as 7 styles of one-step buttonholes, it opens up a world of possibilities for creative sewing. Its LCD screen makes selecting stitches simple, while the improved automatic needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in bobbin take the frustration out of setup. The durable metal frame and fixed needle bar ensure stability and cleaner, straighter stitches, even on complex projects. For quilters, the CS7000X is especially appealing. It includes a detachable wide table for larger projects, as well as 10 presser feet, a quilt guide, and a hard protective case. The large workspace between the needle and arm gives you room to maneuver big fabrics with ease. Lightweight yet packed with features, the CS7000X is great for both beginners and experienced sewists. Whether you're tackling garments, quilts, or home decor, this machine combines versatility, durability, and advanced functions at an excellent value. Did you like it? In the description, you can find the link for more details. Number 1. Brother ST371HD. The Brother ST371HD is a heavy-duty machine designed to handle a wide range of fabrics. From thick outdoor materials to delicate silks, this sewing machine balances strength with versatility. With 37 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and stretch options, it's equipped to handle everyday repairs, creative projects, and more. The ST371HD includes 6 sewing feet, such as a non-stick foot for tricky fabrics and a spring-action zigzag foot for thicker layers. The free arm makes sewing jeans, cuffs, and sleeves easier, while the drop feed feature lets you try free motion sewing for quilting or custom designs. Convenience features like the automatic needle threader, jam-resistant drop-in bobbin, and built-in handle make setup, use, and storage a breeze. It also operates at up to 800 stitches per minute, giving you efficiency without losing control. If you're interested in this model, the link is just below. Well, that concludes our review of the 7 best sewing machines you can get right now. If you are interested in any of them, all the links are in the description. You can check the current prices or get a deal. And hey, there's also a free trial of Amazon Prime. 30 days, no shipping costs, faster delivery. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more top picks like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.